Alright, so today's been a very interesting day. Not really mad about it at all. I actually laughed about it. But here, let me show you real quick. Ooh. Samsung. Just obliterated. Completely ruined. But whatever, I mean, like I always say, crap happens, but hey, whatever. Not sure what I'm gonna do with it now, but maybe we can destroy it or something. I don't know. Drop some comments down below if you want to see us do something with it. So now I'm working on cleaning up the garage. As you can see behind me, I got the shelf that I put together in the last video. Got some stuff on it. It's pretty messy because I've been throwing stuff on it slowly. Then I'll get it organized later, like all the truck cleaning stuff, and also like some new Milwaukee tools that I haven't opened yet. I've actually been waiting until I had my own little shop to work on before I opened up that because it was on sale on Black Friday, so I just picked up an extra set because I already have that set for work, but this will be my shop set. But like I said, I've been throwing stuff on there. This is kind of like my extra parts for the truck and like some wrap colors that I kind of was just wanted to look at one day, so I ordered them online. But I picked up these little storage parts racks from Harbor Freight. They were 20 bucks. So I want to hang them up right here, I think, for now. And when I get a new shelf, I'll figure out if I need to move them over or whatever. But I'm going to hang them up so that we can get a bunch of my stuff organized, so that way I can start getting this mess more figured out. Been working on it slowly and surely every single day. Let's see, it's 7 o'clock now, and I'm just getting out here, getting started for the day. So let's spend some time getting things cleaned up and organized, and see what we can do for the night. More cardboard. Alright, so, well, definitely gonna have to get that window covered so it gets all rid of the glare, but as you can see, got them all up. Kind of a pain to throw these smaller ones on here, but I feel like with time, taking them on and off, it'll get a little bit easier because they're just really tight right now. But it looks like a lot of bins, but they're gonna fill up quick, and I already told myself I'm probably gonna have to get more because I have so many nuts and bolts. But I want to be able to organize them and put them all away and have tons of space, so that way if I need like a common bolt, I'll just keep them stockpiled up here, and that way I don't have to run out for every single tiny little bolt. Because I have a crap load and buckets from taking off the lift kit, and just a bunch of extra grade 8 bolt from projects I've done over the years. But now I have that, I'm gonna start filling it up and getting a bunch of this stuff cleaned up all over. There's just a lot of stuff to organize and go through, but I'm going to work on getting that done, and I'll show you some progress. So my camera battery died last night. I'm not sure exactly when it stopped recording, but I kind of did a bunch of stuff afterwards and also changed some stuff up. But here, I'll give you a little tour of what I got done yesterday. So yesterday, you can see I hung up a shelf here that I had laying around to throw my gas cans up on. Got the rest of my ladders all hung up. Got some stuff organized. Got a free shelf thrown together here, and just a bunch of stuff all organized. Not sure what I'm gonna do with my tires yet, but I'm gonna hold on to them just in case. A good set of rollers just to roll around on. But still some more stuff to organize. This couch will probably end up going into the garage to sit on while I'm working on stuff in there. Then these are the old 4 tires and wheels, which will get sold. And yeah, so still have a lot of, okay, that's bad. Still have a lot of stuff to get organized, but we're making progress. So right now we are about to go out and fill up the water jugs. We're gonna take the big truck to Home Depot to pick up some more stuff. And also I gotta go to drop off all of this cardboard because a lot of cardboard for moving. Those aren't even on the boxes. I'm actually saving some of the boxes that were in good shape for whenever we do move again, which won't be for a while. But okay, once this thing focuses. But anyways, that's what we got going on. I'm gonna finish loading up the rest of the cardboard and get everything in the truck, and then we'll get you a cold start. Really? Nice. Say hello to the people.
Hello, people.
Alright guys, so we just got back from running errands. As you saw, we just went to Home Depot and dropped off the cardboard, and then you also just saw I stopped and got some shots of the truck because I haven't gotten any for a while and I need to get some new pictures for Instagram. But perks of having an 8-foot bed, I picked up some pegboard for the garage to throw some random hand tools on. I don't know what hand tools I'm going to put up there yet, but I know I'm definitely going to need this, so I picked a sheet up of it. And also we got a new outdoor fire pit. So we can have a fire tonight, and then stopped and grabbed some free pallets because wood's not cheap and I don't want to pay for firewood. Am I right? And then we stopped and also got some microfibers because you can never have enough, because we're going to detail her car this weekend, which maybe you guys will see. We got a funnel, a paper towel holder, some pegboard hooks, and a bunch of random other car stuff and water and everything. But I'm going to get everything unloaded and get that fire pit together, cut up the pallets, and get a little fire going. And then also she's firing up the Traeger because I think tonight we're doing what, steak and potatoes?
New York strips, baked potatoes, and corn on the cob.
Hell yeah, brother. Alright, let's get it. And one thing I wanted to mention too, we got this Traeger at Costco. I think it was like $6.99, something like that. Do you recall, babe?
Something like that.
I think it was like $6.99. Home Depot sells them, I think they're like, God, for one comparable list, I think it's like $1,000, something around there. But I wanted to mention, I turned the camera back on because I just wanted to say, if you don't have a Traeger, get yourself a Traeger. It's worth every penny. Plus the smells it puts off when you turn it on, oh, it's amazing. Get yourself a Traeger, you'll thank me later. Damn, girl. It's your red bubbles. Oh. Sit down. Hey, let's show them what you got. Oh, hang on, it's cheating. Hey, sit. That's lay. Sit. Good boy. Here's a good boy. When it's smoking like that, that's when all the good smoke comes out. So I just got all the pallets cut up. I got one bucket here. The rest is in a shop there. Gonna gotta clean up my mess here. But I got the fire pit all put together as well. One thing I thought was funny was on the handle. Let me show you here on the nut on the back side. They give you this little tiny wrench for it. But if you look here, this thing will focus. Come on. Look at how loose this is. I don't know if this was made in China, but in order to do it, you literally have to strip it out. So, yeah. Junk, get your own wrench. But she's having me taste some food, so I'm gonna taste this and get cleaned up, take a shower, and I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. So we got a nice little fire going, just had dinner and got everything cleaned up. So just ended the night off with a nice little fire. That's zoom, not out. So we're just ending the night with a nice little fire here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It's a little different than normal just because we're still getting things organized. As you can see, I still have a lot of work to do, but slowly but surely getting stuff done. Things really starting to come together. Little garden's looking great. Things are growing awesomely. All thanks to her. She's making sure every single day it gets watered and everything at nighttime. I'm making sure they go inside so they don't get eaten by bugs. But if you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you're new here, and turn your post notifications on so you don't miss when we post. And if you have any comments, drop them down below and we'll get back to you. But I'm gonna sit here and enjoy this fire, and we'll see you in the next upload. So we got some really big news to tell you guys, but you're going to have to wait until the next video.